On my doctor advice, I started applying just this simple water on my hair, and honestly, I'm still shocked by the results. My hair started growing so long, thicker and fuller. It's unbelievable. I did not even expect it to work this fast, but when I saw the difference, I know that I have to share it with you guys. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I made this doctor approved hair growth water using just simple ingredients you may already have at home. And if you are struggling with hair breakage, thinning hair or slow hair growth, please stay with me to the end because this combination will definitely transform your hair for good. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way. So now let's start with the ingredients. You do not need anything complicated. Everything is natural and easy to find, okay? Our first ingredient is coffee. Coffee is rich in caffeine, which helps wake up your hair follicles, improve blood flow on your scalp, promote faster hair growth, and reduce hair shedding, and so many of them. Please make sure the coffee you are using contain caffeine on it, because caffeine in the coffee is what really make coffee to grow our hair and also help us to solve our hair problems, okay? So I make use of 1 tablespoon of my coffee. Our second ingredient is black tea. Black tea strengthens your roots, help prevent breakage and add shine to your hair. Is one of the best keep hair growth secrets. Use any black tea you have. This type of black tea I have available, and I will make use of 1 bag of my black tea. Our third ingredient is green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that fight scalp buildup and stimulate new hair growth natural. So this is also the type of green tea I have. Please use any type of green tea you have, okay? Even though you have green tea leaf or green tea bag, please use any of them so far that is green tea, okay? So I'll also be making use of 1 bag of my green tea. Then our fourth ingredient is onion. Onion juice increase circulation to your scalp and boost keratin production. That is the regrowth magic. I'll be making use of 1 medium size of my purple onion, and I do not peel the back of this onion. I just cut the head and the tail off, then I start dicing it, okay? And please guys, do not skip onion in this recipe. Make sure you add onion in this recipe if you are ready to see that powerful effect with this recipe. If you are ready to grow down your hair faster, solve those your hair problems, make sure you add onion in this recipe, because combine onion with other ingredients you use in this recipe. That is when the magic will happen, okay? So none of these ingredients must skip. Make sure you use all the ingredients to achieve that massive growth, okay? So after combining all the ingredients together, next thing is to be my hot water. I pour in my hot water into the jar that contain all my ingredients. So you can also do boiling method. Maybe if you're in a hurry, maybe if you want to use it immediately, you can just do boiling method, because boiling method is the easiest way to prepare this. But I like doing infused method, because infused method, I'm 100% sure that all the nutrients of this recipe are super and tight, okay? So do the one that you like. So after pouring the hot water on it, I will cover it and keep it aside to infuse for 12 hours. After 12 hours, as you can see, the water is super dark, and now meaning that all the ingredients have released their nutrients into this water, making this water the magic hair growth spray, okay? So next thing I will do now, I'll bring my bowl and my shifter to strain out the recipe, okay? So the residues are no longer useful to us, so only thing we need now is the tea spray. So the tea spray is what will help us to achieve that our hair goes and solve our hair problems, okay? So what I will do now is to discard the ingredient or the residue, whatever you choose to call it. Okay, so this is our powerful magic hair growth tea spray. Do you see how potent, how rich, and how powerful this tea spray look? Guys, don't joke with this tea spray. This tea spray is a game changer. This tea spray will definitely give you that magic hair growth you can ever imagine, because this tea spray will never disappoint you. This tea spray must grow your hair whether you like it or not. I put it knowing to you that this tea spray is a must to grow your hair, to stop that your hair shedding, hair fall, thinning hair, and also give you that healthy, longer, fuller hair while being consistent. Okay, so the major key with this tea spray is consistent, and that's when the magic happens. Okay, and I will tell you what I mean by consistent. Okay, so now I have transferred it into my spray bottle for easy application. Use whatever you are using to spray your herbal teas on your hair. Okay, then let me demonstrate to you guys on how to use it to get that good result, and also how to be consistent with this tea spray so that you can see that magic result on your hair. Guys, don't sleep with this tea spray, meaning don't ever joke with this tea spray. If you have not been using other of my tea spray, this particular one, make sure you prepare it, and believe me, it will never ever disappoint you. Okay, now this is how I use this powerful magic hair growth tea spray to achieve massive hair growth and also to solve a lot of my hair problems. So first thing I do is to spray it all over my scalp. Okay, and give myself a gentle scalp massage for 5 minutes. Okay, after then I go ahead and apply it all over my hair strands and make sure everything soak into my hair strands. Okay, so after doing that, next thing I'll do, I follow up with my leave-in conditioner and my hair growth oil to seal in the moisture. After then, I'll cover up my hair with my shower cap or my cellophane nylon or my heat cap for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then I remove it and allow my hair to air dry. This is the way I use this to achieve massive hair growth. And if you use it this way, guys, I kid you not, you will never ever regret it, and also you will see that massive effective growth with this recipe. Okay, so second way again, you can also use it for those that don't like the smell of the onion or smell of green tea or black tea or coffee. But believe me, this recipe did not smell any horrible at all. You know that coffee smells so amazing, but for those that don't like the smell of coffee, this is another way you can use it. You can also apply it on your hair and leave it on your hair for 1 hour or even overnight if you prefer. Then the next day, go ahead and rinse it out of your hair. Repeat this 3 times in a week. Okay, so if you are using it as a leave-in conditioner the way I use mine, also do this 3 times in a week. Okay, so make sure you apply this directly on your hair so that you can see that visible result from 2 weeks. If you follow up the way I show you in this video, the way I direct you to use it, you will see visible result from 2 weeks. There's no joke. Okay, but to be honest with you, allowing it to sit on your hair is the best. Okay, it's the best to get that faster growth. Okay, but if you want to rinse it out, I will tell you that you should leave it on your hair overnight, and while leaving it on your hair overnight, cover up your hair with your shower cap or your cellophane nylon overnight. Okay, the next day you can go ahead and use plain water to rinse it out. I do not say you should use shampoo. Do not use shampoo to wash it out. Just use plain water to rinse it out. Then another day, repeat it. Make sure you do it 3 to 4 times in a week, whether leave-in condition on or rinse out on, 3 to 4 times in a week for that visible result from 2 weeks. Okay,
Sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay.
when I tell you this powerful magic hairspray changed my hair, I mean it. My hair started growing faster, thicker, and even shiner than before. I have used many things in past, but this combination make the biggest difference on my hair, and also I believe you also get the same results if you follow the instruction and also be consistent with it. Okay, and sometimes we just need to go back to natural, and this simple mix of coffee, green tea, black tea, onion has become one of my most powerful hair growth secrets. So it's not every time chemical. I'm saying this because of those that always like use chemical products on their hair and they are not still seeing results. Please try this recipe, okay? You will never be disappointed, because applying something that is not working on your hair, leave it and try natural. Natural is the best. We are blessed with natural ingredients and they work. Thousands of women in this YouTube have shown you that natural ingredient can grow their hair. A lot of them have longer, thicker, fuller hair, and also I am one of them. With natural ingredients, I can able to grow my hair to this length, to this thicker and this healthier. This is the healthiest hair my hair have ever been. So please leave chemical products alone and try natural, and believe me, you will never ever regret it. So please, if you have sister out there that always use chemical products on her hair and see yes, she's not getting that good result she desire, please help me and share this video with her, okay? And she'll be very happy with you, okay? Because this recipe is tested and trusted. Storage. This can last only about 5 to 7 days in your refrigerator. Anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch, because it has losing its potency, is no longer powerful, okay? So if you are serious about growing your hair, you need to try this out, and believe me, you will never regret it, okay? And also please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I will be sharing more powerful DIY hair growth remedies every week that proves to grow your hair and solve your hair problems, okay? And also comment below and tell me, how long have you been trying to grow your hair? I would love to recommend the next remedy that will help you to achieve that hair goals, no matter the type of the hair you have, okay? And please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, okay? And share this video with someone that struggle with hair growth, okay? So this will be ending today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.